Texas issues civil arrest warrants for over 50 elected Democrats amid redistricting standoff. Austin, Texas, August 2025. In an escalating political clash, Texas Republican officials have issued civil arrest warrants for over 50 Democratic state House members who left the state in protest. This walkout, which commenced in early August, was intended to obstruct a Republican-led congressional redistricting initiative, resulting in a significant legal and political backlash. A political walkout and its trigger. On August 3, 2025, at least 51 Democratic members of the Texas House of Representatives departed the state, primarily heading to Illinois, to avert the approval of a congressional map perceived as heavily gerrymandered to benefit Republicans. The proposed redistricting plan would establish 5 new Republican-leaning districts, potentially altering the balance of power in the U.S. House. Their absence disrupted the quorum, which necessitates at least 100 out of 150 members present to conduct votes. Aggressive GOP response. On August 4, 2025, the Texas House voted 85-6 to issue civil arrest warrants for the absent Democrats, allowing law enforcement to enforce their return, but only within the confines of Texas. The legislation also imposed a $500 daily fine for each day of absence. Symbolic, limited enforcement. Experts quickly characterized the warrants as largely symbolic. While they are lawful within Texas, they lack legal authority in other states unless those states opt to enforce them according to their own laws. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton submitted a petition to an Illinois court to enforce the warrants there. The court swiftly dismissed the attempt, asserting that Illinois lacks jurisdiction to enforce Texas legislative orders on non-residents. Deepening tensions and political theater. Governor Greg Abbott and House Speaker Dustin Burrows defended this approach, accusing Democrats of neglecting their responsibilities and attributing the walkout to the delay of essential legislation such as flood relief and tax reform. The Democratic lawmakers contend that their actions are aimed at safeguarding democracy from a racially biased gerrymander. They have largely remained resolute, with some even likening the efforts of the GOP to authoritarian overreach. Return and escalation. By August 18th, the majority of the absent Democrats made their way back to Texas following the conclusion of the special session, but only under their own conditions. Upon their return, they were mandated to sign permission slips that permitted constant monitoring by state troopers whenever they exited the House chamber. Representative Nicole Collier notably declined to comply, instead organizing what she referred to as a slumber party for democracy by spending the night on the House floor. The Democrats intend to contest the newly drawn redistricting maps in court. In the meantime, further special sessions have been convened, and the ongoing standoff continues to resonate as a representation of the escalating partisan divides in anticipation of the 2026 midterm elections. Summary at a glance. August 3, 2025. More than 50 House Democrats depart Texas to obstruct quorum. August 4, 2025. Civil arrest warrants are issued. Fines are levied. Mid-August. Warrants are considered symbolic. Illinois courts decline to enforce. August 18, 2025. Democrats return under stringent surveillance protocols.